Alright guys, let's go ahead and start our design for today. I greet you all. So here is a beautiful Monday. So let's go ahead and make that design. Go to our plus sign, gallery, look at the image I want to use, add to page. So now what I want to, now we are not searching for any other background, we are not searching for any other image, we are not removing any background now. So what we'll do is for this image, we'll click on the three dots here, set as image background. Okay, so double tap fast on the image, then I want to drag and resize it from here. Can resize it from here, then I will take it to the angle, to the right angle. I can still resize it over and over again. Take it to the angle which I want it to be. All right, I think here is okay. Done. So that's it. I can equally reduce it a bit. Let me reduce it a bit. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Okay. So this is nice. Now it's okay like this. So right now, the next thing we're gonna do is I have a couple of tests that I copied already that I want to use up for this design. So let me just go ahead and paste them so that I don't go ahead and forget. Edit, edit. I want to paste it. Select all, paste. Okay. Hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Okay, let me put it white so you see what I'm. Okay. So now, hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Okay. So now the hey is a beautiful Monday. We're gonna make it very unique. Let me take it out. Hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Wow. It should be on his own. Hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Hey, it's a beautiful Monday. So let me add another test that will bring up that hey is a beautiful Monday. Let me delete this. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So right now, I want to bring up a stylish font which we will use for the hey. Mm, okay. So when you search properly, or when you observe properly, then you notice this font, hello, happy birthday, down here. You click on it, happy birthday. Okay. Now, go ahead and ungroup this. You ungroup it. Then you delete the birthday. Or you can leave it here. Just but what I want you to do is all I need from there is that happy. The font style there, that happy. So I can edit this one, edit. Hey, it's a beautiful. Hey, it's a beautiful. Okay. All right. So that's all I need from there. Hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Hey. All right. I think this is okay. It's a beautiful Monday. It's a beautiful Monday. It's a beautiful Monday. Wow. Okay. So now let me go ahead and add another one. Okay. Look at the sparkle. The sparkle, wow, that's great. The sparkle can actually be at the hey edit. For the sparkle, I'll just go ahead and add hey. Excuse me, my bad. Okay. Oh god, shit. Let me go at the effects, the effects, the effects. I guess I should keep it at no effect. None. Yeah. Okay, so hey, it's a beautiful. The next thing should be Sunday, right? Okay, Monday rather. So let me go ahead and edit this and write it Monday, Monday. But interesting part of it is that I want Monday to run through our design. I want Monday to run through our designs all through. Okay. So now what I will do is here is a beautiful, right? It's a beautiful Monday. So now oh, it's nice, this nice, this nice, this nice. Okay. So this Monday I want to select another font for it, month. The font I want to select is month. Month bold. Montserrat extra bold. Yeah, Montserrat extra bold is fine. Okay, let me go ahead and select this Mont extra bold. I think this is fine. Okay. So now let me make sure this is touching this alignment. Okay. And this also is touching this other line. Okay. So, wow, sorry. Is that the same thing? I think this should be better like this. Yeah. Okay. So now this Monday, I'll send it to back. Oh, so sorry, so sorry. Then this Monday now, all I will do is I will fed it. I'll first of all duplicate it. After duplicating, then this one up here, I will fed it. I will fed it. I will the transparency. I will make it very very transparent. Okay. I will reduce the transparency. Wow. Okay. Now let me leave the transparency. Then now, watch out carefully. I will remove the M O. I will only leave MOND, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I will align this properly. I left the MOND. Then the next thing is AY, right? So AY, what am I going to do to AY? I'll duplicate this, clean up this, and type AY. AY, right? Okay. So now I'll still align properly. Zoom it properly so I work properly. Then I'll align it. Okay. Then for the AY, I'll go to Effects, Halo. Then I'll click at the center of the halo, reduce it. till probably 10. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so do you see that? Oh, now, hey, it's a beautiful Monday, right? Wow, I think that's awesome. Someone can still read what we have there. Okay, hey, it's a beautiful Monday, right? Then the next part of it is, then this Monday, I want you to run through our designs to keep on running down, running down, running down, running down until it gets to the last of our design. But before that, let me now group this. I will need to group this. Select multiple. I'll tap on this, then group. I'll group them so that they will be together. Okay. Be right. So now let me increase this particular one now, this particular font. Okay, so this other Monday, what I now will do is that I will fade them. From this gap, I will fade it. Transparency, make it very fade. As fade as 25. The transparency should be 25. Okay. So I'll duplicate it again. Take it downwards. Okay. I'll click on duplicate, duplicate, uh, duplicate. Then the last one I duplicate, I'll take it up, move it up. It will continue from the up. Duplicate, I'll take it up a bit. Should continue from up. Duplicate. Okay. So until the duplicate runs through our designs. Do you understand? So that's for it. Then, hey, it's a beautiful Monday. Um, well, coming for that. Okay, so for this, I want to make this visible. So what I will do is I will just go ahead and align this, do the alignment of this font, right alignment. So now keep on stepping this down until I align it properly. Love. Now I will now add a shape element. This is the shape I want to add. This is the shape. This is the shape I want to add. Okay, so I'll be all for that. This is a particular shape I want to add. Now, let me resize the shape properly. So let me give this one black. I'll go to format, bolding it, or I'll change this font. Change this font to Monstrat semi-bold. Alright, Monstrat semi-bold is perfect. Okay, then I'll go to the spacing and reduce the line spacing to 1.20, 1.20, 1.2 rather. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's all for that. I can even, maybe I should just give this white, yellow or white. White should be better, more better. I think white is okay. Okay, so never mind, white is still okay. Don't need to stress yourself that much. White is okay. So then I will now add a little effect to this white so it will look real. Then we'll we'll duplicate. When we duplicate, this one will duplicate, we'll take it to back, send to back, color it black. But you just want to breathe in life into the design. Okay, so that's it. The color shouldn't be fully black. If I kind of felt black, why? Yeah, that's okay. So now nudge it, bring it down a bit. We'll keep on bringing it down until it gets to down. Down, 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 down. Wow, that's nice. So now, this is all for today. Hello, it's a beautiful Monday. So that's all you'll be learning for